What's up, you guys? Tamim from Tamim Tech here, back again with another video, another one. So, today's the day, and we got the Fitbit Sense in the building. So, we're going to be testing this out, and so far I've only seen a couple reviews on it, and they have not been that great. DC Runmaker, forget the channel's name. He had a review on it, and he says the data on here is very inaccurate. The stress sensor is not what it's meant out to be. I don't think he's tested the skin temperature yet. No, he has. Basically, overall, what his review was, the sensors aren't that great, the heart rate is inaccurate, and so I'm going to test it out for myself and hope for the best. Maybe faulty unit, who knows. But I also heard that Google Assistant is not available yet, and the acquisition with Google is still pending, so you won't be able to use that yet. And I've also heard you can't use the speaker yet, which is weird, and I don't think the ECG app is available. And according to DC, the SpO2 monitoring tracking you can only use by using the SpO2 watch face. Lots of negatives so far, but I'm hoping to find some positives in the device. I'm only going to keep it for a couple of days and return it because I really don't have the money to keep such an expensive device when I already have my Apple Watch Series 6 and I have an iPhone, so it's very convenient for me to have the Apple Watch. I will be comparing it to the Apple Watch Series 6 in my review. Because that's just the standard these days, and you're going to see which smartwatch is better for you. If you have an iPhone and you value smartwatch features, Apple Watch Series 6, obviously. But when it comes to fitness tracking, who does it better, Fitbit or Apple? So we'll find out in my review. Right now I'm just going to do an unboxing and setup video for you guys and give off my first impressions. So let's get into that. Alright, let's unbox this thing, shall we? So, this is my first time doing a top-down video. I'm at a really awkward angle here. So we're gonna remove this little slip right here. Do my best not to damage the box because I will have to take it back. Okay, and let's see, we got that part off. Oh, it just slips on out. So here we go. We have the Fitbit logo. Open it up, and we have the band and the watch. Looks like pretty simple stuff. So here's what the watch looks like. We're gonna take this off in front of the mic. ASMR. Alright, as soon as I took that off, the Fitbit has come alive. I don't know if it's going to focus or not, though. It makes noise. Holy shit. I just cussed. I think I did. Alright, so it's at 55%. The speaker does work. I didn't see anybody talk about that. The speaker does work, so that's good. It's got a nice feel to it. It is kind of smallish. Smaller than the Apple Watch, but I like the design. Nice little aluminum finish. Nice little steel finish frame. There is no button, but there is this haptic button that you're supposed to press here. So I pressed it, and that came up. So, nice little haptic feel here. I think I have to set it up now. Download Fitbit app. So I'm gonna get on the phone with the Fitbit app and then set it up. But so far, the band is nice. Let's check out the band. Just try to unravel you. I like the band. The band feels nice. Feels nice compared to the older Fitbits. The older Fitbit bands used to burn my wrist. I had a really bad burn mark on my wrist before. But I like this. And it looks like it's easy to take off this time. Just press this. I don't really want to mess with it, but it looks like it's different when it comes to taking the band on and off. I'm assuming you press something and it comes out. Oh, that was pretty simple. Then put it back in. Yo, I've been wanting this for so long. That was so easy. It's like the Apple Watch. Wow. That's so much better than the old Fitbit. I approve. So we have the new sensors here. We got the EDA, blood oxygen, and SpO2. And the ECG is supposed to be on these metal frames here, but I don't think that's enabled yet. But we'll see. It said it's October maybe, but we'll see. So let's see what else is in the box. We have this guy here. believe is the charger. I don't want to destroy anything. Gotta be gentle. Gotta be gentle. All right, so here is the. God, I gotta be gentle with these things. These things are so fragile, I swear. I gotta make sure I'm still in focus because I'm using my 50mm and I don't usually use this lens. I'm using it for this top-down shot. All right, we got it out. So this is the new charger. Looks nice. It looks like it just snaps on the back. I like that. USB-A. Let's see how it snaps on. There we go. It just snaps right on. That is nice. I like that. Good job, Fitbit. You're doing good so far. But I'm not going to get my hopes up. Not yet. So we have a band in there. Blah, blah, blah. We're going to get this set up. All right. So let's set up the device. We have the Sense at the top. We're going to click Sense. We're going to set it up. Are we crooked? Crooked. Okay, so we're going to read through here. We're going to accept. It says let it charge. We're not going to do that right now. Searching. Connecting to tracker. It's found. Now we got to enter the number on the display, which is 8388. It's connecting to the Fitbit. This is exciting. Wow. God, I hope this lives up to the standards I'm expecting from Fitbit. I hope it lives up to its standards because I have high expectations of this Fitbit device. Wow, I have not been recording with my actual mic. I am really sorry about the mic quality for the last two clips. I realized I have been recording with my camera mic. So, if it's terrible, I will try to redo that unboxing experience. I'm always having issues with audio, man. I swear. My bad, y'all. So we're allowing notifications for iPhone. I can't believe I didn't have the mic plugged in. So what happens when you set up these downward shots? You don't know what you're doing, at least in my sense. You're not allowed to pair Bluetooth. Protect your own device. No, we're not doing that. I'm not keeping it. Wi-Fi setup. God, I can't believe I did that to y'all. That audio for the last couple of clips, the whole unboxing. I did ASMR on a microphone that wasn't even plugged in. Oh, that's embarrassing. Wow. Alright, we're going to connect to Dina. I need the password for the Wi-Fi. Hold on. Alright, let us continue. Mic plugged in. Check. Alright. So let's hit continue. Voice privacy. Sense has built-in microphone. The power voice features microphone only be on when using voice feature. You can always disable the microphone. Blah, blah, blah. Cool. Sense includes Amazon Alexa. Do we want to set it up? Of course we do. Why not? Since it's the only thing available, since Google Assistant isn't, completely whack. Let's get started. Amazon Alexa. Sign in to the Amazon account. So, be right back. Alright, so we're back. Allow location access. Yes. Always on using the app. Continue. How to wake it. Press the button and hold. Charge. Changing band. Shows you how to change the band. Showed you guys that. It's finally simple and not difficult. The Versa 2 was a nightmare changing the bands. It's wearing the watch, light the band, blah, blah, blah. Teach you how to wear the watch. It shows you how to swipe down for notifications. Swipe up to reach your favorite features. Swipe right to access settings and modes. Swipe left to access apps, exercise timer, blah. I don't know what's going on outside. It's annoying as fuck. I might have to close the window. Excuse my French. Press side button. When pressing, make sure the entire button where your thumb. Press and hold for 2 seconds. Double press the button for each of your 4 favorite apps. So there's a lot of features in here. Wear and care tips. Clean your band regularly. Soap-free cleaner. This is going over the issue with the band burning you. So we're all set. We're ready to sync up the device. Hold on. So here's how the Fitbit app looks now. We have stress management at the top. You don't have to wear the device for 3 nights to get a baseline temperature, skin temperature. track mindfulness, health metrics, resting heart rate, sleep tracking, weight tracking. So I'm hoping this isn't as laggy as I think it is. But now we have health trends, track new health metrics and trends. Let's hit agree. So now we have breathing, focus. Then we have breathing rate, which is pretty cool, I guess. So we have the breathing rate, I'm not sure how it does that. Heart rate variability, skin temperature, download SP2 clock face. So you have to wear the clock face to check SpO2, which is stupid. Don't like that. Well, let's download the clock face anyway and get it on the watch so we can actually use this damn thing. So we're going to install it, and it's going to be installing now. And then we'll be able to use it. So that's another interesting thing. You can't use the SpO2 tracking unless you have the watch face on. Bear in mind, it does track it when you sleep, but that's just variation levels, not the actual blood oxygen percentage at the moment. So that's whack. Minus points for that. But the most important thing is, can it track fitness? Is the heart rate accurate? Is the GPS accurate? We'll get into that in the review. So it's now installing the watch face, and then we'll see how that looks. How's the watch look? So here's how the watch looks. And now we're getting the new watch face, and it's on there. So now we have the SpO2 watch face, and you just tap on it to change what you want to see. Active zone minutes, stair climbed, SpO2, heart rate. So yeah, and then there's your heart rate sensor doing its work. The new pulse, what is it? Pure Pulse 2.0. So that's how it looks. Cool. I had high hopes for this, but after hearing what other people are saying, I don't know. So we're going to test this out, and I'll let you know. But let's see with the swipe gestures. See how laggy this thing is. Let's see how laggy it is. Sorry for the autofocus issues, because alright, so we're swiping down. That took a while. So we have my text messages. Cool. Hit the haptic thing. Swipe left. That was pretty smooth. God dang, this focus on this lens is trash. So we have that. Swipe left for the thing. Find device. Find my phone. So it doesn't appear to be that laggy. It's definitely not as smooth as the Apple Watch. But it's not super laggy. If you see me swiping through here, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So we have the favorites down here. And then we have the quick scan, EDA scanner. So I'm hitting the thing here. It's not doing anything. So the home button is kind of iffy. I don't know, do I have to have... There we go. Yeah, the home button's iffy, so you need both fingers on there to do anything with it. So I'm holding the home button. Now we long press so you can select what we want it to do. I have it for Alexa. Alexa, stop, don't speak. So there's a lot of different things you can save it for. Right now we have it for Alexa. So shortcut saved. So now when I hold it, Alexa should come up. What's the weather? So that's cool. And then let's see if it can tell me what's on my agenda today. What's on my agenda today? So I have to relink my calendar accounts to have access to it. Alright, so let's double tap the haptic button. We have that come up. Music, controls. So you can control music from your phone. So let's control music from the phone real quick and see how that works. So I have music playing. And now we have it right here. Cool. Cool. We can pause it. We can fast forward. I like that. I like the new OLED display too. It's popping. It's popping compared to the older ones. So compared to the Versa 2, this screen is nice. It feels nice in the hand. I don't know how susceptible it is to scratches and whatnot, but I like it. And we have the always on display, which I hear cuts the battery life in half. It's advertised to have 6 days of battery. So, I mean, I like the Fitbit Sense so far. I'm just worried about how it's going to track health. So stay tuned for my review on how it works. I'm going to take it to the gym today and see how it works. I'm going to check the EDA scanning, the full review. So I'll let you know how it works. I'm sorry for the focusing issues. I'm using my 50mm cheaper Sony lens, and the focusing honestly is not that great. I have it on manual focus right now so it can stay focused, but I'm sorry guys. I tried my best with this one, but hit that bell icon, stay tuned for the review in comparison to Apple Watch Series 6. It's time to go. Peace.